Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. It's from 15.3. You didn't specify which method, so I'm going to assume quadratic formula. This would be a little messy to factor by completing the square. So this was a given equation. You got to get, first of all, in standard form, which means 0 on one side, everything else on the other. So I subtracted 5 from each side, giving you 2x squared minus 9x minus 5 equals 0. A is the coefficient x squared, which is 2. B is a coefficient of x, which is negative 9. And C is your constant, which is negative 5. Here's the quadratic formula. Notice this part here is minus b, and b is negative. So it's going to be minus a negative, which actually will come out to a positive. Plus or minus, you put b, you want to square b here, minus 4ac, 4 times 2 times negative 5, all over 2a. So the quantity negative 9 squared is 81. That product will be plus 40 all over 4. So that sums 121. Square root of 121 is 11. So you have 9 plus or minus 11 over 4. So I add 9, 11 over 4, and I get 24ths or 5. And then I subtract 9 minus 11. That's negative 2/4 or negative 1/2. Hope that helps. You could check these answers. Come back and plug them in the original equation. They should both check.